Let's mix orange juice, eggs, and milk, and sugar. So apparently this is a popular drink in Montreal and it's called the orange julep. And I tried calling to get the recipe, but apparently only the owner knows the recipe. And before the call, I did some Googling to see if anybody else knows the recipe. Nobody really knows the exact recipe. It seems to be some top secret stuff. And everyone kind of says the same thing where it has orange juice, sugar, vanilla, milk, and egg whites. So let's see how this tastes. Smells like a lot of orange. It just smells like a creamsicle. Yeah, it's a bit frothy because of the egg whites. It's actually not bad. It's basically a melted creamsicle. I don't get why it's so secretive, unless it's not supposed to taste like this. So I haven't actually been to the orange julep location in Montreal. From what I've heard, it's basically a orange creamsicle, and this kind of tastes like a melted one. It's cool, I guess. I'd give this a 7.4 out of 10.
Yes, hi.
Hey, I'm looking to try and make the orange julep at home, and I was wondering if you can share the ingredients.
No, I can't. I'm sorry. It's the owner who knows. Not even us who knows.
So nobody knows the ingredients?
No.
Only the
I can
owner.
say is there's a real orange and then sugar. That's it. I don't know. It's the owner who does the ingredients, and then we just put it in.
So we have orange juice and we have sugar, right?
Yeah.
Anything else?
That's the only thing I know.
Can I speak to the owner?
The owner's not here.
Ooh.
The owner's from the United States. He only comes here like once, twice a year, then he goes back in the States.
And you guys don't have like an ingredients list anywhere, right?
Yeah, no.
All right, no worries. Thank you.